So you have this old cornrow or mini twist just like mine. As you can see, my hair is so old and I have to be somewhere. So I'm thinking, how do I improvise? How do I make this look like something? Do I just go in with a scarf and be looking old and ordinary? So I came up with this look. Let me show you how I went from looking like this to looking like this in just a minute. You have this braiding hair at home and you do not know what you want to use it for. Well, this video is for you because I'm going to show you how I use this to switch up my look if I need to be somewhere real quick. The braiding hair I'm using for this tutorial is lush hair, though the hair was remnant from my previous hairstyle that I did. So the remnant, I'm going to use it for this tutorial, but I got it from lush hair. You can use any other braiding hair you have lying around. Also, we are going to need a stick or something like rod that you can use to hold on to the hair. Thirdly, we're going to need a pair of scissors. All right, so that is everything we need for this tutorial. Let's get started. I had already taken out the braided hair that I need for this tutorial. The idea is for you to learn how to improvise. If you have any hair lying around and your hair is quite old and you want to switch it up, this is an example of something you can come up with without spending a dime, without going to the salon. Because the sticks are just 4, we are going to be making 4 different sizes. The one I had on my hair is the one I did previously for somewhere I had to be real quick. So I decided to bring up this video, which I thought it might help someone. The style looks so good and it didn't even take me up to 5 minutes. So the process is quite simple. All you need to do is to take out the quantity of hair you want to use. Like for this style, I'm going to use only small amounts of hair because of what we need it for. If you want a fuller one, if you want your hair to be thicker, you can take more hair. So I'm just going to use the scissors and cut out the flyouts. That's the tip of the hair, so it will be even. After that, I'm just going to place it on the stick and use the tiny rubber band that I showed you guys. If you're paying attention, you will see when I showed you. And then we'll use it to hold the hair to the stick. The reason we are using a rubber band to hold the hair is so it will not pull off. It will stay in a place. If you don't do it this way, your hair might fall off even before you finish what you're doing. So it's very important you find something to hold it onto the stick before you start twisting. Majorly, we are just twisting it around the stick. We are twisting it tightly so it will form the coil we are looking for. There are other ways to get this coil we are looking for, but for the sake of this video, we are just going to stick to one method. After twisting the hair around the stick, we are going to take the second rubber band and then hold it again. We are going to repeat the same thing on the other side of the stick. You can use this braiding hair to create coily hairs for your boho braid or your goddess braid. We are done with the 2. So now let's go ahead and make the third and the last one. We're going to make this one a bit bigger because we're going to use it for the front. Right now we have completed the 3. You don't need to hurry. If you haven't done this thing before, you can just take your time, and anytime you're done with it, then you move on to the next step. So the next step, you're going to get this to coil, because twisting it around the stick will not get it to coil. Okay, we have to take it up to the next level. We are going to place the hair into the bowl and then pour in some hot water. Make sure your hot water is properly boiled, because we need the hot water to be very hot. I use something to cover up the bowl to intensify the heat. After about 10 minutes, I will take it out from the hot water. This is enough time for the hair to actually coil. And I'm going to use something, a tissue wipe, to take out the excess water. I'm just going to leave this somewhere to dry up, because you're not going to use wet hair. So these are the braided hair. I've already taken them out. As you can see, they are really stretchy. I did it in 4 different sizes. This is it. You can use this for your boho braids. You can use it to switch up your look real quick. This will give you this elegant touch up to your look. So let's go ahead and fix this to my hair. I'll choose these 2 for the front of the hair. Let me stretch it so you can see. I just wish you can see the length. It's really stretchy. It is quite long, though it bounces back once you leave it. It becomes shorter, but this is what we need. All right, let's get to it. So we are going to use a crochet pin. You can decide to stretch it out. If you don't like the way it coils up together, you can stretch it out. The more you stretch it, the longer it becomes, and you can do 2 or more here. Let's fix the second one, which is going to be here. Go ahead and tie it up like this. Good. You can stretch out this one to be the same size with this one, or if not, you can just chop this off to be of the same size with the other one, like so. Okay, we'll go ahead and cut out this one, this part. Okay, we'll cut out this one too. Good. So they are same size, or maybe a little bit. You can do this one so it will stretch out like this one. They will look the same. So be creative. You can decide to do whatever you want with this head. So having done that, let's go ahead and use the scarf to tie up the hair. These are quick way you can switch up your style. I'm not a professional when it comes to tying up scarves, so and I'm not teaching you how to tie your scarf. So we're gonna apply a little bit of gel. See, we are going to use the Eco Styling gel. We're gonna apply a little bit of gel. We're going to take this one and wrap it around like so. We're going to tie it to the back of the hair and hold it like so, and then push it into the scalp so it will not be visible. What do you guys think? Don't you think there's a little bit of difference in this look? Is it not looking brighter? So guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? The style took me about 5 minutes. Apart from making this, which is a whole process, what do you guys think about the style? It was really quick. It didn't even take up to 5 minutes. So this is like a quick style you can use to switch up your old looking cornrow or mini braids. All right, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.